This is our project, Pharmacovigilance Signal Detection Agent. The goal of this project is to detect earlier drug safety signals from adversarial events data using AI, clustering, and LLM-based analysis. The complete implementation and documentation are available in this repository. Pharmacovigilance teams receives millions of adversarial events every year from sources like FAERS. Manual review is slow and often misses earlier warning signals. Our solution automates this process by clustering similar advices events and using LLM agent to summarize and emerging safety risks. This is the core pipeline of our system. Here, we pre-process adversarial events data, generate embeddings, apply clustering algorithms, and pass the clustered data to an LLM agent for signal analysis. This is the output generated by our system. It highlights emerging adversarial events clusters, summarizes potential safety signals, and assigns a risk level such as low, medium, or high. The output is generated in both JSON format and human readable text for easy review. The diagram shows the overall flow of our system starting from data ingestion to signal detection and dashboard generation. This solution enables faster and more reliable detection of drug safety risks and can be adapted to other datasets like WHO, UMC, VGBIS, and thank you for reviewing our project.